and welcome back to Limestone Cottage. Lyndon and I are doing a quick beehive inspection today with the help of August and Aurora. Aurora got a beekeeping suit for her birthday a few weeks ago, so this is her first time working with the bees. August got his suit for his birthday earlier in the year, so he's helped a few times already. Now we just need a suit for our eldest son, Noah, and we'll all be able to work with the bees together.
I know what you used to.
Yeah. This is your first time, isn't it, Aurora? You a bit nervous? This inspection is just to see how the hive is going for a few reasons. We recently harvested honey, we've had extreme heat and extreme rain, and it's getting closer to winter as well.
Ooh, they've already done stuff.
You're scared of being in
See
it.
that? They haven't done anything to this one yet.
Drawing it out. Oh yeah.
Tiniest little bits. See
I
that?
looked at
So
the
they've started making the holes. See, they haven't really done much to this side yet. But they have completely filled this one with honey already.
So this box was completely empty. We took the honey out of all of it. Oh my goodness.
Completely full of honey.
It's very lightweight. Yeah.
Did you bring honey frames up?
From I brought brood frames up.
So
So these would have been already drawn out, these combs, and they would have had brood in them. So that's probably why it's, because they didn't have to draw the comb out, they just filled it with honey. No, don't touch anything.
oh yeah, look, that's nectar.
Yeah.
So they haven't turned it into honey yet.
Nectar. Is it all of that black stuff?
Yeah, it's all watery looking honey.
Yeah, because that's old comb. So that frame was already drawn out.
The three in the middle here.
See all the
You guys are doing good.
Ah, this one's kind of,
Whoa.
they've joined it together.
You just have to crack it apart and deal with it.
Whoa. I just want to hold it.
Okay, ready? Here it comes. This one might be a bit messy if it was stuck to the other one. Oh, just a little bit.
They're coming around me.
So that was,
Look at that honey.
that's old comb that we pulled up.
What the hell?
Oh, the foundation's fallen out. Oh no.
Oh.
It's like melted.
It's melted, yeah.
Can I see?
We haven't got any backup frames ready.
No, I'll have to go make some and come back.
Can I can hold it.
Yeah, it's like the sun might have melted it and it's...
They've just fallen over, yeah. Oh well,
I feel a bee on me.
we had some hot days.
On the flames.
Smoke under here.
Alright, enough.
Craziness.
That'll be fun.
So this is the box under the queen excluder. So yeah, the queen could be in here. Or she could be in the next one down. And we don't take any honey from this box or the one underneath.
Because it has bread in it.
It'll have brood, but also so they have their own honey that we don't steal.
You do some smoke.
So do it along the frame that Daddy wants to take out. Oh look, there's a big drone. See him?
It's not working.
Yeah.
Where'd
yeah.
he go? There he is.
There's a big one.
That's all honey.
Where are you?
There's a lot of honey. So they're all eating.
Where's another drone? Because it makes them think there's a hive.
Is that all honey?
Yep.
Where are we gonna, Mummy, where are we gonna put the bees when the
On the
fire is
nectar?
happening? Mummy?
They definitely got plenty of honey for winter.
Ooh.
Oh, I found the queen.
You found the queen, where is
She's
she?
right there.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh yeah.
There she is. Oh. Lost her. She keeps going back and forward. She's not in this one. She's in the one that we've just taken away from the hive, which is a bit scary.
Well, we probably should have grabbed her out. Yeah.
So this is just about where I have to stop filming because we made the colony panic when we set that box with the queen in it to the side. The bees sensed that she was gone, so they got pretty upset. And it was pretty freaky for the kids. Oh, I'm getting headbutted. Oh,
I am as well.
it's alright, you're safe in your suit.
There's brood down here.
Mummy, lots of them are coming to me.
So we abandoned the mission. Lyndon and the kids moved away while I quickly and calmly put the hive back together. And as soon as the bees knew the queen was back, they settled down. We also made up some fresh frames to replace those melted ones, and we came back later in the day to put them in the hive.